a private farm or a farm for an individual when we have that number of people. And the reason we are saying this that that is not a private land anymore. They are trying to develop a town. It is because of, if you check with Tembelihle local municipality, you expect that that farm should pay tax and rates and taxes, and they are not doing that, hiding behind the fact that they are paying SARS, they are paying VAT and all of that. Why should they not pay VAT? Because of their South Africans, but they must pay rates and taxes like any other person. So it's a fallacy that they would want to bring an element that speaks about private land. That, which, if it's a private land, they should not have engaged in any talks with the provincial government led by the Premier of the Northern Cape, that part of what they will want in Orania, when they decide or in agreeing with them to coexist or to co-govern the Northern Cape, is that Orania must be legalized. It clearly says that that is their plan, that that is fueling racial tensions in South Africa, and it's done through our back door here in the Northern Cape, 160 kilos from Kimberley. We are not going to allow it at all. Private or not private, that's wrong. It should be abolished. If they want anything private, they must leave this country. Even if it's me, if tomorrow I would want to build my own farm and allow people to stay, black people to stay there, this government must not allow me.